How can I fix TracFone if it is unable to make calls?
Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about a common issue you may encounter with your TracFone device, being unable to make calls. This video will guide you through several steps to troubleshoot and hopefully fix this problem. Let's get started.
Are you in a good service area?
The first thing to check is whether you're in an area with good TracFone coverage. No coverage or poor coverage can make it impossible for you to make or receive calls. You might want to move to a different location where you know the signal strength is stronger and try calling again.
Is your TracFone active and has enough minutes?
Next, verify if your TracFone is active and has enough call minutes. If your service has expired or you've run out of minutes, you won't be able to make calls. Log into your TracFone account to check your service status and your remaining minutes.
Have you restarted your TracFone?
If the first two steps don't work, try restarting your TracFone. This simple step can solve many common problems by refreshing your device's software. To restart your TracFone, hold down the power button, select the Restart or Reboot option, then wait for your phone to turn back on.
Is your TracFone software up to date?
Another common cause of calling problems is outdated software. Make sure your TracFone software is up to date. Navigate to your phone's settings, look for System Updates or Software Updates, and follow the prompts if an update is available.
Contacting TracFone customer service.
If none of the previous steps work, your last resort is to contact TracFone customer service. Their representatives can look into any potential issues with your account or the network. You can find their contact information on the TracFone website or in the documentation that came with your phone. That's all for this tutorial. We've walked through several steps to troubleshoot and fix calling problems with your TracFone. Remember that issues like this can sometimes be complex, so don't hesitate to contact TracFone customer service if you need more help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get your TracFone back in working order.